Hey, welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're working with the Algo Laser Alpha MK2 20-watt laser engraver. It is a touchscreen laser that works very nice. We're going to do some canvas art today. This is 8x10 white canvas painted black. We're going to engrave a hot rod into it. Now, got everything connected, hooked up in Lightburn. I've got it set at absolute coordinates, and down here you can see this little dot. If I move this box out of the way, that is where I've got my origin set. So if I hit go to origin, my laser goes to that point. What I've done is I've made an 8x10 bounding box because these are never exactly square. So I made a bounding box. It is 8x10, and I'm going to drag it down till it pops right on that corner, right there. So now we can frame it. We know we're going to fall somewhere within the area of this tape. Now the purpose of the tape is because these are not always square. What I do is, and let me get my safety glasses on here, I'm going to burn that bounding box as a line into the tape. And with that, I now know exactly where to set my canvas. I've used, you could use cardboard, construction paper, anything you want instead of the tape. But anything that gives you a box to help know exactly where to set your material. So now I've got a line, I know where my material needs to set. Material needs to go right there. So what we got to do is aim it, and this little tool here aims your laser. So we're going to move over to there. We're going to release the clip, and it slides underneath the edge of the laser. Then you flip the little lever back up to lock it in place. So now we're aimed where we need to be. So let's rehome the laser. And then we are going to import our file, which is, we will do this one right here. Let's do this one right here. We're going to have to rotate it 90 degrees. So we'll go 90 degrees, enter. Now being it's a smaller file, and it's going to be black and white, all of this white you see is going to end up being black, which is perfect on this piece here. And we can do a preview, and that's what we should end up with, is the car engraved, and then we have the rest of the black background. So we want to come up here and we want to turn off the bounding box. We'll get rid of that. And we've got set for pass-through. We'll turn our overscan down a notch, make it a little finer detail. And we've got a speed of 2500 at 10% power. We've got our air pump set up. Got material in place, we're aimed, we're all set. So let's hit start, and then we'll come back and probably take about 3 hours or so to do this. I like to burn them slower at a lower power rating. You get a better detail to me. A lot of guys will turn the speeds up, the power way up, but it starts to muddy some of the finer details, and I want to go for as fine a detail as I can get. So let's see what we can do here. Says hour and 52 minutes. Check back with us in a few minutes. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, so we are almost done with our hot rod engraving here. A few more moments here. It is turning out very, very cool. A lot of detail. The image is processed as image R, and I used the old algorithm white tile painted black. That seems to give me the best results. There we are done, so we're going to power everything down here. There we go. And here you can see what it looks like. Turned out really cool. Excellent detail. Slow speed, low power seems to work the best. Algo MK2 20-watt laser engraver. Links for it will be below. Any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Be sure to like and subscribe, follow for more. So check us out. Thank you for watching.